Starting a cabinet-making business can be a rewarding venture for individuals with a passion for woodworking and craftsmanship. To establish a successful cabinet-making business, it's crucial to follow a systematic approach that includes planning, skill development, market research, legal considerations, and effective marketing strategies. Step 1. Skills and training. Begin by honing your cabinet-making skills through formal education or hands-on training. Attend woodworking classes, workshops, or obtain a degree in carpentry. Gain experience by working for a reputable cabinet maker or carpentry shop to refine your skills. This practical experience will not only enhance your craftsmanship but also provide valuable insights into the industry. Additionally, consider obtaining relevant certifications to boost your credibility and reassure potential clients of your expertise. Step 2. Business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your goals, target market, budget, and marketing strategies. Determine the types of cabinets you will specialize in, such as custom kitchen cabinets, bathroom vanities, or commercial storage solutions. Conduct market research to identify your competition, pricing strategies, and potential customer base. Your business plan should also include financial projections, startup costs, and a detailed analysis of your expenses and expected revenue. Step 3. Legal considerations. Take care of legal formalities to ensure the smooth operation of your business. Register your cabinet-making business with the appropriate local and state authorities. Obtain any required licenses or permits for operating a woodworking business. Consider liability insurance to protect your business in case of accidents or damages. Comply with safety regulations to create a secure working environment for yourself and any employees. Establish clear contracts for your clients that outline the scope of work, timelines, and payment terms to avoid any misunderstandings. Step 4. Workshop setup. Set up a well-equipped workshop with the necessary tools and machinery. Invest in quality woodworking tools, including saws, routers, sanders, and hand tools. Ensure your workshop has adequate ventilation and safety measures to prevent accidents. Organize your workspace efficiently to enhance productivity. Consider incorporating sustainable and eco-friendly practices into your workshop, as environmental consciousness is becoming increasingly important in the woodworking industry. Step 5. Marketing and networking. Create a strong online presence through a professional website showcasing your portfolio, services, and contact information. Utilize social media platforms to share your work and engage with potential clients. Network with local contractors, interior designers, and real estate agents to establish partnerships and gain referrals. Attend trade shows and community events to showcase your craftsmanship and connect with potential clients. Offer promotions or discounts to attract initial customers and encourage word-of-mouth referrals. In conclusion, starting a cabinet-making business requires a combination of woodworking skills, strategic planning, legal compliance, and effective marketing. By investing time in skill development, creating a solid business plan, addressing legal considerations, setting up a well-equipped workshop, and implementing effective marketing strategies, you can lay a strong foundation for a successful cabinet-making business. Always stay updated on industry trends, continuously improve your skills, and provide exceptional customer service to build a reputable and thriving business.